It's a beautiful morning this morning at Grande campground here in Big Bend National Park. It's probably around 60 degrees or so. So I'm going to go try their nature trail out. I'll take you along. Somebody from Bouquet set up a little shop, kind of on your honor system. I'm sure it works. Up to the viewpoint. So a map with some information showing that you can see the Chisos Mountains over there. And then over here you have Mexico. I have an audience as I'm walking along this trail. Made it down by the river. I assume the other side over there is Mexico. And back to the trail. Quite the overlook down on the river. Quite the vista. Most of what you're seeing is Mexico. There's this boardwalk at the start or the end, as it's a loop of the walk. It is designed to float with the river. So I'm about done with the nature trail. I recommend it. It was down to the river and then up to a vista and now back through this area. Another gift. I'm very grateful.